Okay, everyone. I hope my voice is clear to all of you. Okay, so this is our practice for algebra, and we'll be solving questions related to related to what we have studied so far. So this is basically like topic-wise practice. I hope you can hear me loud and clear. Okay. So question one says a parallelogram has a base of 2x minus 1 meters. As we know, parallelogram is of this shape. It has a base of 2x minus 1 meters and has a height of 4x minus 7 meters, right? Okay. The area of the parallelogram is 1 meter squared. Show that 4x squared minus 9x plus 3. So this is what often confuses students, and what they tend to think is that we're supposed to solve this question, but solving this question is a part of part 2. Simply what we are supposed to do here is solve this question as if we are finding the area of the parallelogram. What's the formula for the area of a parallelogram? It is base times height, right? So we have the base, which is in the form of 2x minus 1. This will be multiplied with 4x minus 7, and let's not forget this equals to 1. What's 2x multiplied by 4x? 8x squared. Good. What's 2x multiplied by minus 7? Yes, minus 14x. Okay, good. What's minus 1 multiplied by 4x? Minus 4x. Okay, wait, let me just use another pen for this. Minus 4x. And what's minus 1 multiplied by minus 7? Positive 7. This equals to what? Equals to 1, right? Okay. 8x squared minus 18x. 1 will be brought here. This will become positive 6, because 7 minus 1 will be 6, right? Now if we divide this entire equation by 2, what do we get? 4x squared minus 9x plus 3. So have we proven it? Yes, we have. Let's move forward. Solve the equation 4x squared minus 9x plus 3. Now give your answer to two decimal places. Whenever we see two decimal places, we are supposed to solve this question using the quadratic formula. Always remember this. Why? Because whenever we solve a question using, let's say, middle term breaking, we'll always find answers in the form of whole numbers. If we like, let's say we solve it using middle term breaking, not this question, any question, we'll always get answer in the form of whole numbers. Whenever we see this two decimal places or three decimal places, we'll always use the quadratic formula, right? Okay, so oh, wait, let's solve it. What was written here? Plus 3. Yeah, okay. So the quadratic formula is, let's first write this down. A equals 4, B equals minus 9, and C equals 3, right? The quadratic formula is minus B plus minus under root B square minus 4AC upon 2A, right? Okay, let's put in the values. Minus minus 9, because B is minus 9, be careful with that, plus minus under root of minus 9 squared minus 4 into 4 into 3 divided by 2 times 4, right? Solve this and tell me what do you get as answers. Solve this using a calculator. Well, I mean, in exam you're supposed to show this entire method, okay? But we won't be showing the method in this case because we haven't got enough space, right? What do we get? Let me bring my calculator in a minute. Yes, yes, I'm here. What do we get as answers? 0.41 and 1.84. Okay, 0.41 and 1.84. These are the two values of x that we get. Okay, clear? That's great. Calculate the height of the parallelogram. Okay, what was the equation of the height here? 4x minus 7, right? Right? So, now tell me, what value are we going to use? Can we use both of the values? Try using 4 into 0.41 minus 7 and 4 into 1.84 minus 7. Tell me what answers do you get in both cases? Yes, this is a negative answer, right? And this answer is 0.36. So please be very vigilant about this because, of course, a height can never be negative. Okay, let's move. Are you done copying? I have given you all the handouts of this worksheet, right? I've shared with you the PDF, I think. The name of the website is Rocket Revise. You can find it there as well. Okay, let's move forward. Factorize x squared minus 16. Wait. Let's just move completely forward. Yes. Factorize x squared minus 15. Now what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Isn't it simple, by the way? A square minus b square equals a plus b, a minus b, isn't it? What's the under root of 16? 4. Absolutely, you're right. So, can I say x squared minus 16 equals x plus 4, x minus 4? Yep, that's the answer. Yes. Okay. Solve the equation 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 4. Hmm. This seems tough, right? Okay, instead of x squared minus 16, We just solved it above. Can I write x plus 4? Can I? Or can I not? 2x plus 3 into x squared minus 16 can be written in the form of x plus 4 into x minus 4, right? I can. Okay, let me solve this question here. Let me rewrite this. 2x plus 3 will have more space over x minus 4 plus x plus 40 over x squared minus 16 equals 2. So instead of me writing x squared minus 16, I can write this as x plus 4 into x minus 4. Can I? Okay, I can. I definitely can. Yes. Or I can simply do one more thing. What is it? This is one method. The other method is 2x plus 3 over x minus 4 plus x plus 40 over x plus 4 here, right? X plus 4 here. And I'll shift x squared minus 16 to the other side of the equation. Now, there was an x minus 4 here as well, right? So these two are going to cancel out, which leaves us with 2x plus 3 into x plus 4 plus x plus 40 equals 2x squared minus 32. Am I right? This gives us 2x squared plus 8x plus 3x plus 12 plus x plus 40 equals 2x squared minus 32. Solve this question. What's the value of x do we get as final answers? It looks like I've done something wrong. I feel like it. Uh, Wait a minute. Wait. It looks like I've done something wrong. Are we missing out on something? Okay, let's not complicate this. Let's not complicate this. Um, it looks like I made it a bit too difficult for you people to understand. Okay, let's erase all of this. I'm sorry. Let's just erase all of this for now. Okay? Wait. Let's solve this question with some calm and without any pressure. I was just trying to make the question easy, but I didn't know it would be this. You don't have to erase this. You can just simply write it on another piece of paper. Like, where do people take notes, by the way? On your notebook or okay. Okay, so instead of making this too complicated, let's write it like this. 2x plus 3 into x squared minus 16 plus x plus 40 into x minus 4, right? First things first, all of this should equal 2 into x minus 4, x squared minus 16. Cross multiplication basically. Expand this. 2x cube minus 32x plus 3x squared minus 48 plus x squared minus 4x plus 40x minus 160 2x cube minus 32x minus 4x. Okay, now plus 3x squared plus x squared. This becomes plus 4x squared squared. For now, as of yet, yes. Okay, wait. What I'll do is that we'll solve this question later on, and let's move to the other question. It's consuming a lot of time and a lot of energy. Let's move forward. Oops. Okay, now what do we know about the rules of indices? Yes, 2x squared into y cube. Can we basically have 2 cube first things first, so 2 cube will become 8, x squared whole cube will become x raised to the power of 6, and y cube whole cube will become y raised to the power of 9. This is as simple as it gets. It won't get any easier than this, okay? Okay, then we've got 27 over x squared raised to the power of minus 1 upon 3. Okay, now do we know when we have a power of 1 upon 3, or let's say we have a power of minus 1 upon 3, right? Let's say we've got a power of 1 by 3, not minus 1 by 3. 27 raised to the power of 1 by 3, what does that become? 3 over x squared. Good, good, good. Well done. Why? Because the powers are going to decrease on a systematic level. Okay? Now, then we have its negative power. So if we have a negative power like this, the powers are going to switch. So this will become x squared upon 3. Understood? That's great. Multiply out and simplify. 3x minus 2y into 2x plus 5y. 3x into 2x becomes 6x squared plus 15xy minus 4xy minus 10y squared. The final answer will be 6x squared minus 11xy minus 10y squared. Great. This is the final answer. No, I will be helping you in solving these questions. So like it's not some sort of a test. Make h the subject of v equals pi r cube plus 2 pi r square h. Well, well, well. You have to make h the subject. First things first. Let's shift pi r cube to the other side of the equation, right? And then we can divide the entire equation by 2 pi r square equals h. But now I want to ask you this question. Are we done? We can. I mean, this can be considered a correct answer because we have made h the subject. So generically it is right. But can we try to simplify it? Yes, it can be simplified by v over 2 pi r squared minus r, because r cube divided by r squared will be r divided by 2 because we have 2 in the form of a numerator. This can be simplified. Simplified form. Okay. We have to make v the subject of the formula once again. What do we do here? V squared equals 3h. Good. And here v squared upon 3 will equal h. So yes, that's the correct answer. Good. Done writing? Where were you the entire class? Great. Okay. Now, write as a single fraction in its simplest form. What's the common denominator? What's the least common multiple that all of these numbers have? 2, 3, and 4. 12, right? Good. So find the LCM first. The least common multiple for all of them is 12. Okay, what's 12 divided by 2? 6. And 6 multiplied by x will become 6x. This is a grade 6 or grade 7 practice, right? What's 12 divided by 3? 4. And 4 into 5x is 20x. Good. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And 3 into minus 7 becomes minus 21x. Entirety of this will become 5x upon 12. So that's the answer for you. Should we move down? Oh, why does this happen? Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Write as a single fraction 5 upon 4 minus 2x upon 5. Find me a least common multiple. LCM 20. Good. Okay. What's 20 divided by 4? Yes. Yes, what does that become? 25 minus 8x. So yes, that's the answer for you. Now here comes the question. 4 upon x plus 3 plus 2x minus 1 divided by 3. What do we have here? 3 into x plus 3, good. We'll take a common denominator. 12 plus 2x minus 1 into x plus 3. This becomes 12 plus 2x squared plus 6x minus x minus 3. 2x squared minus 5x plus 9 over, it's better not to expand it, just leave the denominators as they are. Yeah, we're better off doing that. Multiplication, right? Good. So this will give you 3 out of 3 marks. Solve this so that we can move forward. Simultaneous equations. Now, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Which equation are you willing to annotate? That's up to you. Okay, will we use substitution or will we use elimination here? We can't use both of them. We'll use elimination in this case. Why? Because whenever we use substitution, we need to have x or y in their singular forms. So like if we have 2y, we cannot use 2y to substitute, right? Or 2x or 3x or whatever. So here we'll use the elimination method. Let's multiply equation 1 by 4. Okay? This gives us 36x minus 8y equals 48. We'll write down the other equation below. 36 3x plus 4y. Oh no, let's not multiply it by 4. I just mistook it. Okay, let's multiply this by 2 because we need to have the same values of the of one of the terms. So let's multiply this by 2. 6x plus 8y equals minus 20. Minus 8y plus 8y cancels out. 30x equals what does this become? 48? 48 minus 20? 58. 68? Think again. Be careful, be very careful. If we, instead of using a positive negative sign, let's use a positive sign. Let's add both of these equations to each other, right? 42x equals 28 because 48 plus minus 20 will become minus 20. 42x equals 28. X equals 28 upon 42. Use a calculator, tell me what answer do you get. 2 by 3. Good. Use this value of 2 by 3 and plug this into any of the two equations. Any one of them. That's up to you to decide. We'll have at least one more session of solving algebra and then we'll move on to another topic. Let's do basic maths next, right? I mean, people would have argued that I should have done basic maths first, but never mind. I'll be solving yearlies, but I won't be recording them for YouTube. Yeah, like like for people, for the audience on YouTube, it's only the lectures and the topicals. Yearlies are only particularly for the students who are enrolled in the batch. As of yet, we have 4, right? Suleiman doesn't even join. I don't know. Last week I heard he was traveling, or what? I don't know. Well, what's the value of y? Y equals minus 3. So we'll write 2 by 3 and minus 3. Done? Let's move forward. Well. 7x plus 21 divided by 2x squared plus 9x plus 9. Now what do we do? Let's do one thing. Should we start taking common? 7x, let me just rewrite it, making it a bit big. 9x plus 9. Okay. 7x plus 21. Do we have something in common? Yes, we do. I'll represent the numerator by green and the denominator by red, okay? Just other ways of solving it to make it easier. Can I write this? Can I take 7 common and I write x plus 3? I can, right? Okay, we're done with that. Now denominator, what do we have? Okay, what was the rule I told you all when we have the value of a in the form of any number which is above 1? What was the rule I told you all? Yes, we multiply a and c together. So 2 multiplied by 9 gives us 18, right? Okay. Find the factors of 18. 18 times 1, 9 times 2, 6 times 3. Out of all of these factors, I need a group of factors which add or subtract to give me positive 9x. Can it be 6 and 3? 2x squared plus 6x plus 3x plus 3. Let's take 2x common here. X plus 3, and let's take plus 3 common here. X plus 3. We get 2x plus 3, x plus 3 as the two factors. Am I right? Okay. Now let's arrange this fraction. 7 into x plus 3, the numerator, and 2x plus 3, x plus 3. Right? Will the numerator x plus 3 and the denominator x plus 3 cut each other off? They definitely will. This will be 7 over 2x plus 3. Done? Great. Yes, this is the simplified version. Let's move forward. Easy question. Solve 2 into 3x minus 7 equals 13. Free 3 marks. Free of cost 3 marks. Six x minus 14 equals 13. 6x equals 13 plus 14, which becomes 6x equals 27, and x becomes 27 upon 6, which is I think 4.5. Yes, 4.5. Solve by factorizing. Now we need to have the answer in the form of factorization. Okay, so if someone uses the quadratic formula in this case, they will get only 1 mark, and if they reach the correct answer, of course, which they should, of course, right? What do we do here? X squared minus 6x minus x plus 6, right? Okay, let's take x common. X minus 6 minus 1 will be common, x minus 6. So we have the two factors, x minus 1 and x minus 6. Now we know x minus 1 equals 0, so the value of x is 1, and x minus 6 equals 0, the value of x is 6. 1, 6. Free of cost 3 numbers. Then what do we have? 3x minus 2 upon 5 plus x plus 2 upon 10 equals 4. Okay. 3x minus 2 upon 5 plus x plus 2 upon 4 upon 10, sorry, equals 4. Let's do one thing. Let's multiply the entire equation by 10. Okay, let's multiply the entire equation by 10. So this will be 10 cancels out with 10, this will become 40, and 10 over 5 becomes 2, right? So 2 into 3x minus 2 plus x plus 2 equals 40. 6x minus 4 plus x plus 2 equals 40. X terms on one side, 7x, wait, x terms on one side, 6x plus x equals 40 minus 2 plus 4, 7x equals 42, x equals 6. That's the right answer. And you can literally put in the value of 6 in this equation to find the answer. And you'll get the answer 4. Let's solve one more question, then we'll call it a day. We'll have one more past paper session like this, okay? A similar question. Show that 7 upon x. Are you done with the first one? Done? Okay, that's great. Let's move forward. Show that 7 over x plus 4 plus 2x minus 3 upon 2 equals 1 can be simplified to this and this. Okay. Seven, let me use a black pen. 7 times 2 plus 2x minus 3 into x plus 4 equals 2 into x plus 4, because when 2 and x plus 4 are taken to this part of the equation, they'll be multiplied with each other, right? Okay. 14 plus 2x squared plus 8x minus 3x minus 12 equals 2x plus 8. 2x squared plus 5x minus 2x. So we are removing all of this. Plus 2 minus 8. This becomes 2x squared plus 3x minus 6 equals 0. Done? Okay. Solve the equation 2x squared plus 3x minus 6. Simple as that. Correct to two decimal places. When we have two decimal places, we use the quadratic formula, right? What's the value of a? And what's the value of b? And what's the value of c? Okay, so minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Solve this question entirely and tell me what answers do you get with. Yes, 1.1, it's 1.137, right? So we'll consider that as 1.14. Wait, let me just increase the brightness a bit. 1.14, and the other one is minus 2.6. 2.64. 1.14 and minus 2.64. This question, we will be solving this question once we're done with the topic of mensuration. Any other questions from today? Okay then, you're free to leave.